Mini-split evacuation is a critical process that removes air, moisture, and other non-condensable gases from the refrigeration system before startup. Proper evacuation ensures optimal system performance, prevents compressor damage, and extends equipment life by eliminating contaminants that can cause acid formation and component failure. Modern mini-split systems require much deeper vacuum levels than traditional systems. Current industry standards specify vacuum levels of 500 microns or less, with many manufacturers requiring 300 to 400 microns for optimal performance. While digital micron gauges provide the most accurate vacuum measurements, analog manifold gauges remain the primary tool for evacuation in field service work. These gauges feature compound pressure scales that can read vacuum levels down to 30 inches of mercury. For verification of deep vacuum levels, digital micron gauges are essential. These instruments can accurately measure vacuum levels down to single-digit microns, providing the precision needed for modern mini-split systems. A complete manifold gauge set includes color-coded hoses and connections. The blue hose connects to the low-pressure side, red to the high-pressure side, and yellow to the vacuum pump. Proper hose sizing of 3/8 inch minimum is crucial for efficient evacuation. Understanding the mini-split system layout is essential for proper evacuation. The system consists of an indoor evaporator unit and outdoor condenser unit connected by refrigerant lines. Both sides of the system must be evacuated simultaneously for complete moisture and air removal. Key preparation parameters include proper connection torque specifications, leak testing with nitrogen, and ensuring all system valves are properly positioned before beginning the evacuation process. Understanding these fundamentals of mini-split evacuation with analog gauges provides the foundation for successful system preparation. The combination of proper equipment, correct procedures, and verification methods ensures reliable system performance. We'll now walk through the complete step-by-step evacuation procedure for mini-split systems using analog manifold gauges. This systematic approach ensures proper vacuum levels and system integrity. Step 1. Begin with a thorough pre-evacuation inspection. Check all connections are properly torqued, typically 18 to 22 foot-pounds for quarter-inch fittings and 35 to 42 foot-pounds for 3/8 inch fittings. Next, perform a nitrogen pressure test at 150 to 300 psi to check for leaks before beginning evacuation. This critical step prevents wasting time evacuating a leaking system. Step 2. Connect the analog manifold gauges using the proper color-coded hoses. Blue hose connects to the low-pressure side, red hose to the high-pressure side, and yellow hose connects to the vacuum pump. Step 3. Attach the vacuum pump to the center port of the manifold gauge set. Open both the low side and high side valves on the manifold to allow evacuation of the entire system. Step 4. Run the vacuum pump for a minimum of 30 to 45 minutes for typical residential systems. Larger systems or those with extended line sets require longer evacuation times. Monitor the vacuum level continuously. Step 5. Perform an isolation test by closing both manifold valves and monitoring the vacuum hold for 10 to 15 minutes. The pressure rise should not exceed 300 microns during this test period. Step 6. Follow these critical best practices. Always verify analog gauge readings with a digital micron gauge when possible. Maintain evacuation for at least 30 minutes regardless of apparent vacuum level. Use proper hose sizes of 3/8 inch minimum to reduce evacuation time and ensure accurate readings.